Everybody, this is Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life, and I'm here with hashtag Artisan Journal Prompts 2024, hosted by Life with Patti, and this is my book too, and I am catching up. So, and I'm 7 behind. So let's get started. So, week 36 was yarn, and what I did is I took some pictures of some stuff that was made for me. My mom crocheted me the wedding doll back in 1997 when I got married. Then Sabrina, mom, Nancy, made me Van Gogh, which is awesome because he does, on this side, oh, I should bring it down. This side, he doesn't have the ear, which is pretty awesome. I also have a Prince one, but my friend has literally a Prince room dedicated for Prince. So I put my Prince one in her room. So that's where Prince went. Then, on to week 37 was friendship. And I just did this. Friendship isn't a big thing. It's a million little things. And I just listed a bunch of my friends. And then it says, of all the blessing that time and earth bestow, there is none so precious as one true friend. So that's my friend. I got Diamond, Kathy, Jackie, Kate, Diane, John, Sabrina, Paul, and there's my friend. All right, and now week 38 is images from magazines. And what I did is I just grabbed some images out of a magazine and just kind of made a cluster of them. And then week 39 was sea creatures. So we have to turn the book like this. So I found this under the sea image, and I just used some stickers I had of sea creatures and did it like that. And that, it was week 39. Now, week 40 was fall. And I just found a poem that says, fall is here. September to December is a wonderful time to watch leaves fall and pumpkins on vines. From decorating our homes with spooky things to fill our bellies on Thanksgiving, the fall is the time where the harvest begins. Apple picking, pumpkin pies, trick-or-treating, and hay rides are such a pleasure. Time for sweaters, scarves, boots, and cool weather. The smell of cinnamon spice in the air. Friends and family gather near, thankful for many reasons, 'cause fall is here. And I just found some fall background paper. Got a truck. Got a rake and some leaves. Got a little girl bringing leaves up. Got corn stalk. Got a turkey. Got a squirrel with a nut. And that's week 40, fall. Week 41 is mail. And I don't know about you, but man, 95% of my mail lately is junk mail for politics. So I just grabbed a little bit of each. Don't ask me who he's running for my state. He's running for my state. And of course, you got Trump and Harris running for president, and RFJ Jr. endorsing Trump. And then this Dr. Christine Lyrie, I believe she's from our state as well. So I just did a collage. And that was week 41. 42 is lace. So what I did is I found a piece of paper that was decorated and I put it in the back. I put this piece of lace, which was then actually from a curtain. And then I have this lace going down the edges. And then I made a little cluster and I put these pretty butterflies on there. And now I'm all caught up. To stay ahead, hopefully for the last few weeks going forward, I don't fall behind. But I've had a lot going on. So thanks for watching. Not too many weeks left. It's hard to believe that there is only, what did I count? Let's see. 10 weeks left of the year, I believe. Yeah. Let's see. 1, 2, 4, 6. Yeah, 10 weeks. Wow, it's crazy. The end of the year is coming so quick. So thanks you guys for watching. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now.